Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is LinkCollider? LinkCollider is an online traffic and engagement exchange platform designed to help website owners, content creators, and social media users increase visibility. The platform works on a credit-based system. You earn credits by interacting with other users' content, and then use those credits to promote your own website, social media profile, or online content. It supports promotion for websites, blogs, YouTube videos, and social media pages. The main goal of LinkCollider is to provide low-cost exposure and early engagement, especially for people who are just starting online or want to give their content an initial push. How you can benefit from LinkCollider. 1. Increase website traffic. If you own a website or blog, LinkCollider can help bring visitors when organic traffic is still low. This traffic can be useful for testing landing pages, measuring user behavior, and creating early activity on news sites. 2. Boost social media visibility. LinkCollider allows you to promote social media profiles by gaining views, visits, or interactions. This can make your profile look more active, which helps build trust when new users discover your page. 3. Support YouTube and video content. For video creators, LinkCollider can help increase views and engagement on videos. While this traffic comes from within the platform's community, it can help create momentum and encourage organic discovery. 4. Test offers and online projects. Affiliate marketers, freelancers, and digital sellers can use LinkCollider to send traffic to offers or sales pages. It's useful for testing conversion rates and content effectiveness without spending heavily on paid advertising. Who can benefit from LinkCollider? LinkCollider is best suited for new website owners and bloggers, small businesses and personal brands, YouTube creators starting out, affiliate marketers testing offers, anyone needing early traffic or engagement. It works best as a support tool, not a replacement for long-term strategies like SEO, real social growth, or paid ads. Important considerations. The traffic from LinkCollider is not highly targeted, since users are participating to earn credits. Because of this, it should be used responsibly and combined with genuine marketing efforts. When used correctly, it can help create visibility, test ideas, and build initial momentum online. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.